Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jimukai Teardown channel. Today, we're going to take apart the Redmi Note 14 5G. This phone features a matte back cover design. Before we begin, let's quickly confirm the model and system details in the settings. Alright, everything checks out, so let's commence the teardown. To start, heat the back cover to soften the adhesive underneath. Use a thin blade to create a small gap for inserting a pry tool. Then slide the pry tool along the edges to loosen the adhesive securing the back cover. Note that there's also adhesive around the camera area. Place a dust-proof sticker on the rear camera module to keep it clean. Next, remove all visible screws. After prying up the motherboard cover, disconnect the power flex cable and the main flex cable. Carefully remove the rear camera assembly. And remove the front camera. Then remove the speaker assembly at the bottom. Disconnect the subboard flex cable and the display flex cable. Then you can remove the coaxial cable. Carefully removing the motherboard. Remove the earpiece. Push out the power and volume buttons from inside. Drip a small amount of ethanol to remove the power and volume flex cables. Then proceed to remove the fingerprint flex cable below. After removing the SIM tray, take out the charging board. Pry up the vibrator. Drip a small amount of ethanol to lift the battery. Finally, you can remove the main flex. Be careful not to tear the fingerprint cable area on the main flex. Heat up the screen. Insert a blade into the gap between the screen and the middle frame. Use a suction cup and a clear plastic sheet to separate the screen from the middle frame. And that wraps up the teardown of the Redmi Note 14 5G. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and drop a comment. In the next video, we will tear down the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.